Hello kids, I am the happy train. Today we are going on a fun journey to pick up all our alphabet friends. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, look kids, someone is standing there. Wow, it's A. Hello A, come on A, hop on my train. Kids, A says A for apple. Oh, look, B is standing here. Hello B, come on B, join the train. Kids, B says B for ball. Oh, look kids, someone else is waiting. It's C. Hello C, hop on the train. C says C for cat. Now A, B and C are on the train. Hey, it's D. Hello D, come on, join us. D says D for dog. Soon we meet E. Hello E, come on, ride with us. E says E for elephant. Hurry up. Next we see F. Hello F, jump on the train. F says F for fish. Oh, look kids. It's G. Hello G, welcome abroad. G says G for grapes. Oh, look kids. Here is H-I-J-K. They are together here. Come on everybody, hop on my train. Let's go. H says H for hen. I says I for ice cream. J says J for jug. K says K for kite. Soon we see M. And J says J for jug. K says K for kite. L for lily. Soon we see M. Oh, hello M. Come on, ride with us. M says M for mango. After that we meet N. Hello N, jump on board. N says N for nest. Look kids, O is waiting. Hello, hop on the train. O says O for orange. P for pyramid. S Q for queen. R says R for rabbit. S says S for sun. And T says T for tiger. Soon we see you. Where is you? Oh, U is here. And also V and W, X, Y. U says U for umbrella. Next comes V. V says V for van. Next we see W. W says W for watch. X says X for xylophone. Next comes Y. Y says Y for yak. Come on, hop on my train. Kids, it looks like one more friend is left. Oh, it's Z. Hello Z. Hop on the train. Z says Z for zebra. Yay kids! Now all the alphabet friends from A to Z are riding together on the happy train. What a fun alphabet journey. Bye kids. See you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel Anmol Tones.